Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the ServiceGuru Navigation Links add-on for ServiceM8, understand a little bit of what it does and how it works. Alright, so as the name suggests, the Navigation Links option gives you the ability to add additional points or drop-offs or addresses within a job card so that you're able to go through a few locations when carrying out your work for a particular customer or in a particular job card. So the use case for this we see as being really useful for companies that are needing to go from one location to another location with stops in that process. And this is typical of removal companies or companies that might need to go and do a collection. So this could be bin companies that need to drop off and collect an item. And there's a whole range of other businesses which suit this sort of workflow. Again, taxi companies being one that this is particularly well suited to. So let's go ahead and have a look at how that works and see it in action. So what we go ahead and do is we open up a job card. And over here we have got our Soft Rolls Bakery, and within the add-ons we go and have a look for our address book. So our address book is the area where we are going to go and add the various addresses that we want to have available to our technician out in the field. And over here you can see that we've already populated that with 2 addresses. So we've got a pickup and a drop-off location. And to create an address within the address book is as simple as clicking add the address. And you work your way through by adding a name, entering the address within the system, and it will do the smart address lookup, and then you can add any notes that relate to this particular address location. So anyway, we're going to leave this, we're not going to save that, we're going to cancel out of that, and we're just going to leave the 2 addresses that we created previously. And let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like out in the field for the technician. So just to recap, we've got a job over here. It has 2 locations that we need a pickup and a drop off for this particular job card. And so from the technician standpoint, if we go ahead and open up this job, we can take a look at how this works out in the field. So if we open up this job over here that we've just been looking at, we go to our green plus, and we scroll down until we get to our navigation links. We can see that over here within the navigation links, we will have our 2 waypoints that we've added into the job card itself. So as soon as that loads, we'll be able to see our 2 navigations. So in the top there, you can see that we've got our pickup and we've got our drop-off locations. And now it's as easy as tapping navigate to the address, and this will automatically open up the address book for, sorry, your maps to that particular location. So just again, a really simple add-on which allows you to save waypoints on addresses, saving your team time by making this information available to them quick and efficiently. They can navigate to that particular job site. As soon as they have done that, they can come back to the add-on and then move over to the next address, which will then take them to their next address location. So a really easy way and efficient way to keep your team with the information and getting them to and from their pickup, drop-off locations or whatever other type of scenario that you would find useful within this space.